Happy New Year! We hope that 2024 is your best year yet. And as part of that, we want to tell you about what we believe are the most important tax updates in the next 2 minutes that you may take advantage of this year. Let's start with my favorite, the new retirement plan contribution limits. These are the maximums that you can save in tax-advantaged accounts each year and will have a huge impact on your financial plan over time. Most of the retirement accounts shown in this chart now allow you to save an extra $500 this year. However, all catch-up contributions for those of you age 50 or older have stayed the same for 2024. You can now save up to $23,000 into your 401k or 403b plus a $7,500 catch-up. As a reminder, the catch-up contribution gives individuals nearing retirement, more specifically those age 50 or older, the ability to increase their annual retirement savings over those working younger in their career. And if you can make after-tax contributions to your plan, you can save up to $69,000 total this year. We're happy to check to see if your plan allows you to do this if you're not quite sure. Health savings accounts maximum contributions are now $8,050 this year. These are a great way to save and invest for future healthcare costs. In Jerry's favorite, the world of estate and gift taxes, the lifetime gift exemption jumped by nearly $700,000 to $13.61 million. This is the maximum amount that you can gift without paying tax either during your lifetime or after you pass away. And more good news, the annual gift exclusion has increased to $18,000 for 2024. For married couples, this means that you can gift anyone $36,000 this year without having to file a gift tax return or have it count against your lifetime exemptions. Here at Presilium, we are constantly making sure our clients maximize all of these areas to save on current and future taxes. This makes a huge difference to your financial plan and the probability of reaching your goals. If you would like to talk about these updates or any others not mentioned, we are happy to discuss their effect on your personal and family situation. We hope that you have a happy and healthy 2024 and look forward to talking with you soon.